The round ones are the little Beijing beef pies. We're gonna make a little apple tart tatin, which is caramel, apples, and then puff pastry. Our pizza is by far the best in New Haven. We'll start with that. Shrimp and sausage gumbo and vegetable gumbo. The first thing we really need to do is make the dough. Flour's a little strange this time of year.
So what does that mean?
Save some to the side. I like to use chopsticks because I can throw them out. We're really gonna mix this together. Kind of be the consistency of Play-Doh is what we're really looking for. We're gonna knead this dough. We're just gonna let this hang out.
How much water was it for the flour?
Ours still looks like this.
It looks like flour, huh?
Yes.
Now, can you remind us what is all in the meat mixture?
Grass-fed, gas-finished beef, sesame oil, some soy sauce. If you guys can feel this, it's kind of soft. These are pasture-raised eggs. Chicken is happier. It will make a happier tasting egg. And we're just gonna scramble these up. Cut them in smaller pieces just so they're a little bit more manageable. You wanna keep your thumb back under here because we do definitely not wanna cut your thumb. So if you make your eggs brown, it's not the end of the world. Chefs have these little weird idiosyncrasies and that just happens to be one of many of mine.
I'm putting butter in, and I don't know how much butter to put in.
Does anyone remember what we're doing with the apple?
And you can see where there's still the skin on there. This is just a chef trick. We try to pull it off. You're gonna cut these in some larger chunks because we want some texture in the stew. So the whole thing is, it's called the Trinity. Just about goes in every Creole kind of Cajun dish. That's a good looking roux.
Cool.
That's a good looking roux right there.